Wild weather with 70 miles per hour winds whipped Seattle and western Washington, with road closures and power outages. More than 500,000 residents were without power in western Washington Wednesday morning after winds of nearly 70 miles per hour whipped through the area, ripping power lines and trees from the water-soaked earth, according to the National Weather Service in Seattle. 500,000 residents lost power as winds reaching through western Washington overnight. Many roads are closed. Rivers are rising. Roads are closed throughout the region, though Deception Pass Bridge, where the wind blew a truck onto the bridge's railing before 4 a.m. Numerous roads in Snohomish County are blocked, including Bollenbaugh Hill Road in Monroe, Norman Road in Stanwood and 236th Street Northeast in Arlington, according to the Sheriff's Office. Power outages and downed trees were also reported in West Seattle, Tacoma and throughout Puget Sound. As of 8:30 a.m. Seattle City Light reported 45,024 customers without power, down from a peak of 72,000. The wind was not unexpected, according to the Weather Service, but the gusts were higher than the 40 to 50 miles per hour that had been anticipated. The Weather Service issued a flood warning after midnight for the following rivers: Snoqualmie River near Carnation, Chehalis River above Grand Mound, Chehalis River at Porter, Cowlitz River at Randall, Snohomish River at Potlatch, Snoqualmie River near Snoqualmie Falls, Toll River above Carnation,